Incivility is a common problem affecting both teams and organizations. But what if an employee's mindset towards a situation held better clues to understand why incivility occurs in the workplace? Most people rely on mindsets or sets of beliefs to better make sense of situations they face. While observing staff conduct surgeries at an accident and emergency department of a hospital, researchers noted that employees tend to adopt one of two mindsets when faced with work situations: a mechanistic mindset or a humanistic mindset. A surgeon, for example, might adopt a mechanistic mindset and focus on conducting medical procedures while tuning out the patient's cries of pain. This surgeon wants to solve the problem by being objective and efficient, and may express incivility in order to speed things up or to send a signal to a coworker that he or she should stop wasting time during a procedure. In these cases, the doctor may believe that incivility is a useful or helpful tool. On the other hand, a different surgeon might adopt a humanistic mindset, which would involve reassuring the patient and actively considering the patient's psycho-emotional well-being. This surgeon also wants to solve the problem, but does so in a way that prioritizes people's emotions and dignity. Across this field study and an online experiment, researchers explored how the mindset employees adopted both influenced how uncivilly or civilly they acted towards others, and the rationale employees gave to justify their behavior. Wonder how psychological mindsets can influence uncivil and civil behaviors? If so, you may want to read this paper.